Back to basics today. I'm going to show you my favourite way to cook bacon. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. Free up the hob by making perfectly crispy bacon in the oven, plus it's a much easier clean-up too, and you can even save the bacon fat to fry your eggs. Start by lining a shallow baking tray with baking parchment. Now for the bacon, go for good quality bacon, not the water injected type. I like to use Streaky rindless bacon and make sure it's got a little bit of fat on there as well, because no one wants dry bacon. Place the bacon on the baking parchment, leaving a little bit of room between each slice of bacon. Place in a cold oven and turn the oven to 175°C or 350°F. Then simply cook for 20 to 25 minutes, no need to turn it over, until the bacon is crisp. Remove the tray and serve right away. And that's the best way to cook bacon. Make sure you reserve that bacon fat, as it's great to cook mushrooms or eggs for a fantastic weekend brunch. I'm going to make a bacon butty for Chris.